So for this interactive PowerPoint presentation, fact or bluff, editable template, as you can see, there are 11 slides. Kasama na yung title slides. So dito, for slide number 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6, the correct answer here is fact, while number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, the correct answer is bluff. So, meron ditong insert question here. Yung question na ilalagay nyo dito is bluff. Yung slide 11, slide 7 to 11, dapat yung ilalagay nyong question or statement here is bluff. While dito naman sa numbers 2 to number 6, dapat yung statement or question na ilalagay nyo dito is fact. And then, after nyong mailagay lahat or ma-insert dito yung mga statement ninyo, i-jumbled nyo na lang para hindi magkakasama or magkakasunod yung fact and bluff. Ayan. Kaya na lang mag-rumbled ng ganyan. Ayan. So, tapos pwede na siyang gamitin nun. Let's check. Ayan. Ay, wait. Dito, fact or bluff. Ito, meron ditong play now. Click mo lang yan. And then, mapupunta na siya dito sa first slide. And insert question here, fact. Ayan. So, kapag nag-pause siya, it means that's the correct answer. And kapag naman nag-fade out, it means that's the wrong answer. Ayan. So, as you can see, mag-fade out yung wrong answer. Ganun. Kaya dapat i-jumbled nyo sila or i-random nyo sila para hindi magkakasunod yung fact, bluff, ganyan. Para alternate sila.